this is a short video on how to place the Desnorkel mesh into this component over here. This is the OEM part from Porsche, and basically the most important thing to remember is to engage this tab last. You're gonna start with this one, the bottom ones, and then place this one last. That one was added on the latest design just to make it fit perfectly there. And basically you are starting with this side over here. You usually slide it in. You have this turn over here, so you can just slide it in. Then just make sure that this part is over so you can engage the bottom ones. Just put this one in, put this one in. Now we have these three tabs engaged. Now I will make sure that this one is not on the inside, it's on the outside. And we check on this one, make sure that it's on the outside as well. And you just have to press down and this tab will engage there. That's basically it. And there you go. It's fit.